Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to link an EA account to Steam. All right, so the first option, or the recommended option, is go ahead over to Steam, open it up, and then once done, go ahead and open up a game that is an EA game. For example, you have here The Sims, okay, or Battlefield. I think I have it in here. Yeah. Go ahead and play these games, and then when the game opens up, it will ask you to sign in with your EA account. Okay, so just basically sign into your EA account, or if you don't have one, create one, and then just follow the on-screen prompt to link your accounts. And then hit on confirm. Now, the other option, you can go ahead and open up a web browser. Go ahead over to myaccount.ea.com, then hit on enter. And by the way, you can go ahead and open up your account on your mobile device. Just open up a browser on your computer, or if your console supports a web browser, open it up, okay? And then in here, just go ahead over to connected accounts. And as you can see here, mine is already linked. Now to link yours, you gotta scroll all the way down. You'll find the not linked section. Select Steam from here and just sign in with your Steam account. After that, you're good to go. That's how simple it is to link an EA account to Steam. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.